Yo, these are some crazy discounts on the Nike Roshi 1, guys. Check it out. Retail price $100. $100, and you're paying an extra 99 cents on these ones. You actually have to pay more at the Nike outlet. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to another shopping vlog. Joined by Mama Cantalon.
Hi.
And I got my sister in the back over there. And today, we're gonna be doing some Black Friday shopping. Now, I was supposed to go yesterday on the actual Black Friday day, but today's Saturday morning, so we're gonna go to Vaughan Mills right now. They have the Nike outlet, they have the Nike clearance store, they got the Adidas outlet. They got so many good stores at this mall. So we're gonna go there, and I'm gonna show you guys the best Black Friday deals. Now, this is part 1 of the vlog. I'll be making a part 2 and uploading it right after this video goes up. So part 1 today will mainly have the Nike outlet portion of the vlog. By the way, we're doing a huge Yeezy giveaway. So if you haven't yet got a pair of Zebras or Sesames, then make sure you guys check out my last video I uploaded for details on that giveaway. And yeah, before we cut over to the Vaughan Mills footage, I'll give you guys a quick OOTD. We have the defaced sweater right here, defaced streetwear. Really, really nice black and red combination. We got the matching red ones on feet. Goes with this sweater perfectly. And we got the Stone Island cargo pants as well. I also did some designer shopping this morning, so you guys can expect a Black Friday designer haul coming very soon. All right, so we just made it to Vaughan Mills, and oh my gosh, it is packed in this mall. It's so freaking packed. I love the Christmas trees, the holiday festivity, like decorations everywhere. And the first store we're gonna go to today is actually gonna be Foot Locker. So we'll go to Foot Locker first and then the Nike outlet after. And today's actually, it's not my sister's birthday today, but it was my sister's birthday while I was in the Philippines, and I completely forgot that it was her birthday. So I gave her $100 to buy whatever she wants while we're here at the outlet. So maybe she'll find something cool, and if she does buy anything that I can show you guys, we'll show you guys at the end of the video too. But damn, the Adidas store for Black Friday, they even have like a little rope out here, so they're ready for people to line up outside. It is so packed here today at Vaughan Mills. It really makes me appreciate online shopping and how far online shopping has come over the years. And also, I'm doing that Yeezy giveaway already for the holiday season, but I did tell you guys in the previous video that if I buy anything from the Nike outlet, I'm probably going to be giving it away. Why is there a lineup here? Oh, there's a lineup for the UGG store. Bam, there's a lineup outside the store. This is like the one time of the year too at malls where there's lineups to just get inside of the stores. But yeah, if we do end up buying anything today, there might be a giveaway for that item at the end of the video, so stick around to the very end. So we're at the kids section right now for some sneakers, and my sister's looking at the shoes. 25% off these Air Maxes right here. 175 retail, now 130. How do you feel about these sneakers? Because I have them and a lot of people like them. These are the Utility Air Force 1 Low in the white colorway. Oh, you did? Oh shoot! Oh, you did. But they have them here, so you could potentially buy these with the birth. Oh, it's $100 exactly. The downside is that it's not on sale. But yeah, if you are a smaller size, they now have these in store. They also got that black colorway too, and this colorway is crazy, man. This neon yellow one, I think Tom possibly bought this one. These are wild. So Foot Locker has been having some really good sales for Black Friday, and on top of all these sale pricings, I've actually been buying a lot of my Yeezys from Foot Locker. So I have those like loyalty VIP coupons saved up, so I have a bunch of like $20 coupons. They don't stack, unfortunately, but if my sister buys anything from here for her birthday, she'll be able to get an extra $20 off. This is cool to see. They just released a hoodie for the Utility Air Force 1 Lows. Sort of gives off those off-white vibes, just like the sneakers do. They got them in 2 different colors here, $75 Canadian. And this might be one of the best deals of the day. They have the Converse Chuck Taylor boots right here, and they're going for $100. This is probably my favorite go-to winter boot. It's a sneaker boot, and you can't even really tell. Like, it looks like just a winterized Chuck Taylor, but they're actually really good. And I've been wearing mine for like the last couple of years. I have these in 4 different colors. That's how much I like the shoe. So if you guys were looking for a winter boot, check out the Chuck Taylor winter boots that they have at Foot Locker. They got these cool black and gold foams that just released for the Foot Locker Week of Greatness. Pretty cool. I'm not really into foams, but I really like that loud gold metallic hit on the swoosh. The sales section like doesn't seem to exist in the Puma section, which is pretty unfortunate. I picked these up for $50 online, I think, from Livestock, so straight up steal on those. They got the Puma purple glows right here, the Puma Clyde Courts. Love these. And then they have this like Halloween colorway too. pretty wild. I feel like these might end up at the outlets eventually, but if you haven't played in the Puma Clyde courts, you might want to give them a shot. This is the first colorway, and I think it's really cool that they made this the first colorway, because if you saw someone in the NBA playing in these, you instantly knew it was the Puma shoe. Here's a look at the Adidas section. They got a bunch of Ultra Boosts. We got the bronze medal right here. We got the silver medal, these are fire, and of course the beautiful, beautiful gold medal. They still have the restock of these available. The triple white 4.0s are on sale with the black bottoms, and they also got this multi-knit 4.0 as well, but none of them are on sale. These might be one of the best deals of the day. The Prime Knit EQT Support Advance right here for $49.99. That's like $35 US. And then I did a review for these on the second channel, SneakerTalk 365, the Young 96s, and it was this particular colorway. A lot of people are interested in these. They give off those Raf Simons kind of vibes, but for $100 it's at a really good price point. The quality isn't amazing, and it's not particularly like a really neck-breaking kind of shoe, but if you did want to get onto that dad shoe trend at an affordable price point, then these are some sneakers you might want to check out. And if you haven't seen my review, check out the review. So that was the Foot Locker store at Vaughan Mills. It wasn't a Foot Locker outlet like it is at Dixie Outlet Mall. I gotta try going there again very soon, but now we're gonna hit up the Nike store, and there might be a lineup, I'm not too sure. So here is the Nike outlet, Nike factory store. Oh, hey mom. Check this out. They have DeMar DeRozan jerseys, a whole bunch of them, like so many, and they're all 40% off the retail price. So check it out. Retail price was $130 Canadian, dropped down to $30, and you can get an extra 40% off. So I'll have the prices come up on American and Canadian prices on screen right now. That's insane. So I'm gonna buy one, and I might just buy a second. So yeah, I might buy a second to give away. All right, so we're about to start the hunt here at the Nike clearance store, the Nike outlet, and everything pretty much in the store is an extra 40% off. From apparel to some bags. We have like stuff like these Nike duffel bags going for about $25 Canadian, 20 US, and then 40% off the entire hash wall and anything on clearance. So today might be one of the best sales of all time when it comes to the stuff at the Nike outlet. So let's start looking at the shelves, and then we'll look at the hash walls right after. One last thing, I'm really on the hunt for those Mellow 13s that just came out at the Nike outlet. They were like a Nike outlet exclusive essentially since Nike recalled them, and I'm really hoping that we find them because 40% off retail for those, and there might be like an extra discount on top of that 40% off. Hopefully we can find those Mellow 13s. I bumped into a subscriber here named Marco. He lives in Vaughan, and he told me he looked already and he couldn't seem to find them, so I'm gonna try and find them. Let's cross my fingers and hopefully we do. Like, look at these discounts, guys. Regularly $265, now it's $140, and then you take an extra 40% off that. That's some savings. Air Jordan Spizzics right here, this red and white colorway, regularly priced at $235 Canadian, now going for $170 with an extra 40% off. Here's a look at a lot of the Nike running shoes that they have. The Nike Shox Gravity, regularly priced at $200, then dropped to $80, and then you get an extra 40% off that. We got these Mariah Flyknit trainers right here for $60 after all of the thick discounts. And this black and white colorway here is going for $100, down from $210. They got a gray colorway here too for $100. They have the olive colorway for $60 after all the discounts. Air Max 90 Ultra 2.0s, regularly $175, now dropped down to $90 with an extra 40% off. Yo, these are some crazy discounts on the Nike Roshi One, guys. Check it out. Retail price $100, $100, and you're paying an extra 99 cents on these ones. You actually have to pay more at the Nike outlet for this particular shoe. That's how cool and limited and rare and hype these are. That's amazing. They got the Air Force One Foamposite Pro Cups for $169.99, down from $240. Triple black colorway of the SF AF1 mids for $90. $90 for these babies. They have this black and gum colorway for $60 after discount, regularly $215. Not too many sizes left though. Not too many sizes. They have this like Air Force One low with that really thick treading on the bottom there. These are going for $70 after discount. Air Max 270s right here, and it's going for a regular retail price right now. But yesterday, if you actually came during Black Friday, you would have gotten the 40% off, which is some serious savings. All right, so those were all the decent sneakers that they had on the shelves at the Nike outlet. Not too much heat today, in my opinion. I have seen better in the past. But now we're gonna go through the hash wall, and that's where, of course, where we're gonna find all those hidden gems. I have never been at the Nike outlet where it's this crowded before in my entire life. I can only imagine what it's like in America. So these Air Force Ones might actually be one of the best finds I find today at the Nike outlet. I just found them on the shelf. Someone like hid them there. These are a size 9 and retail price is $140. They dropped them down to $80 and with an extra 40% off, I suck at math. I think that's going to be about $55 Canadian, so I'll have all the prices come up on screen. But finding these at the Nike outlet, this is actually a really good colorway, so I might pick these up and do a giveaway for these over on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. So follow me if you guys haven't yet already. Yeah, this is clean. I'm gonna cop these actually. Screw it, let's do it. These are pretty cool and they're in my size too. The Nike Air Max Gully? I don't know, but regularly $140, drop down to $100, and with the discount, these come to $60 Canadian. Not too bad. All right, now we're into the size 10 section of the hash wall. Pretty dry so far in terms of the lower sizes, but it's my size. Hopefully we do get lucky. I found what looks like to be some more camouflage Air Force Ones. There's like a half camouflage print though. Not too crazy about this. It's this like weird purple and green camo. That's not a combination we're used to seeing. And these are going for $140 retail price, drop down to $100 and now $60 with that discount of the Nike outlet for Black Friday. These are some shoes I wasn't expecting to find at the outlet. These are the Nike EXP X14. It's one of their newer models and it really reminds me of the Nike Element React 87s with that like see-through kind of material. This is like a gray and black colorway, really sleek, sort of gives off this like ninja techwear kind of vibe. I like them a lot. I like them a lot. And these are going for a retail price of $165. Then they drop them down to $115 and you can get an extra 40% off that. These are size 10.5. Oh man, I recognize that midsole outsole combo anywhere. These gotta be some Cortez. Ooh, these are nice. Got the jewel swoosh on them. Nike Cortez. It looks like a premium release. Is this a premium release? No, it's not a premium. It's a quick strike release. Limited release. Size 11.5. Regularly $140. Drop down to $80 with an extra 40% off. I'll have the price up on screen right now. The quality of the leather that they have on these is really, really nice and supple. And this is just like a nice casual sneaker. Nothing crazy. Very simple and definitely something you can wear a lot. Now the tricky thing is keeping these clean, because these will be a dirt magnet if you don't know how to keep your shoes clean. So we're almost done at the Nike outlet. Now we're gonna do the larger sizes, size 11.5 and up, and then we're gonna hit up the women's and kid sizes right after. And they usually have some pretty decent stuff in those smaller sizes. So I'm already halfway into looking through the larger sizes, but haven't found anything except for these. These right now. We got the Air Max 1 premiums in this like wheat colorway. Perfect for that fall and winter vibe. And these are a size, what size are these? Size 13. Size 13, retail price was $145. They dropped them down to $100, and with that extra Black Friday discount, it comes to $60 before tax. These are crazy, guys. I don't see myself ever wearing these. It's like a safari print. I think it's one of the first colorways of the Air Force 270s. These are going for regular retail price, but with that 40% off Black Friday discount, it definitely makes it worth considering buying if you're a size 9.5. Wait, 9.5? Why are these in the size 13 section? That's a little weird. It appears this corner of the hash wall, they just have like a variety of sizes, so they have a random assortment of really cool shoes. Check it out. We have this olive colorway of the Air Max 270s, really solid, going for $200, and then with that extra 40% off, that brings these to $120. That is a steal. So they had those in a size 10.5 and they also had them in a size 12 as well. They also have some Flyknit Air Max 270s, regularly $230. So you just take off that 40% off Black Friday discount. We have the Nike Epic React Flyknits right here. This is a shoe you don't typically see at the Nike outlet. Definitely one of the best Nike running shoes to come out in 2018. I'd recommend you guys give these a shot. Even if it's not this colorway, they have a lot of colorways available. So it's going for that regular retail price, but with that 40% off Black Friday discount. So it comes to $120. That's really good. This is a loud colorway of the Air Force 270s, size 11.5 and 8.5 available, and these are going for $215 with that extra 40% off discount. So that will wrap up the men's section. Now we're gonna check out some of the kid sizes that they have here. Jeez! All right, let's start off with some heat. We got the woman's Air Max 1. It looks like it's the OG colorway, but it's not that deep varsity red I'm used to seeing. The actual color code they have for this is habanero red. What the heck? Anyways, these are regularly priced at $145 and they dropped them down to $100. The dark shadows for $120, and they also have the olive 13s for $120 as well. Taking a look at some of the apparel, they got these cool Nike track jackets right here, going for $69.99 with an extra 40% off. And they also have it in this red colorway as well. These are pretty cool Nike hoodies as well. Nike Air, black and red. They have this black and gray one here as well. These are going for $65, down from about $100. And last but not least, let's check out this tiny NBA section. They got some Lakers jerseys right here. Kobe Bryant, Kobe Bryant, Kobe Bryant. They got a whole bunch of them, and they're going for $79.99, down from $150. So pretty cool. So that's it in terms of hunting at the Nike outlets for Black Friday. Now I'm gonna cash out and I'll show you guys what we picked up back at home. Alright, so we made it back home to my crib, and now I'm going to show you guys the pickups today from the Nike outlet. Now if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you watch the Adidas outlet Black Friday video that's coming up very, very soon. And if you want a free pair of Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Sesames, I'll be giving away either a size 8, 9.5, or a 10. So if you guys want to enter the Black Friday Yeezy giveaway, make sure you guys answer the comment question for today, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. The details on how you can enter the Yeezy giveaway will be in the pinned comment in the comment section, so check on that. And on top of that, we're actually going to be giving away these pickups over on my Instagram at SneakerTalkCA. So follow me on Instagram at SneakerTalkCA if you haven't yet already. That will be the only way you can win the free stuff in this bag. I'll get to that giveaway information in a second, but first let me show you guys the pickups. So let's start off with what I bought in the apparel section. We bought 2 DeMar DeRozan jerseys, not one but 2. Now this right here is a size medium, but I also picked up a size small as well. So for my younger or smaller viewers, I got you covered with the DeMar DeRozan jerseys. Now these things were dirt cheap. Let me check the receipt to show you guys how cheap this thing actually was. So the actual tags themselves have the price of $130 Canadian, and then it dropped it all the way down to $30 with an extra 40% off. That means from that $180 price tag, it dropped it all the way down to $17.98. Next up is the sneaker pickup. Now these sneakers, I want to say, I feel a little bit bad. I might have taken them from some lady by mistake. I basically found these shoes. Like, I found the box for this in a shelf, and it was not in an area it was supposed to be. It was just like a regular shelf for other sneakers, and they had this, and there was no other shoes around it. But when I grabbed these sneakers, I went to the bench to show you guys them in the vlog, but then when I went back, there was these old ladies around the same area that I picked these up from off the shelf, and it looked like they had put 2 more sneakers on the shelf. So I was like, did I just take their sneakers? I think I just took their sneakers. I wasn't too sure. And I think I could see by the expression on their face, they were really confused. I think I probably took their shoes. And basically what I realized after that was, like, I could be a good person and let them know that I think I accidentally took their sneakers, or I could let the inner American in me, even though I'm not American, that Black Friday savage, I let that part consume me, and I had these in a see-through Nike bag. And what I did was, the shoes, basically you could see on the outside that these were the shoes in my bag. I turned my bag around so that this would be the side being shown to just people looking at my bag, and I kept my head down, and now I feel really guilty about it. So I'm not going to keep these for myself. I think that would be some really bad karma and bad energy in my life. So we're going to give these away to one of you guys. This is the Nike Air Force 1 Low and a like woodland camouflage colorway. These are sick. These are really, really nice. These are a size 9. Also, we got these for a really good discount. The retail price was 140 Canadian dollars, and it was $80 at the outlet with an extra 40% off. So I paid $47.98 Canadian. I'll have the American price on screen right now. So yeah, to enter the giveaway for these items, both the Nike Air Force 1s and the DeMar DeRozan jersey, just follow me on Instagram. It's at SneakerTalkCA. Like the photo of me in front of the Nike outlet. Also comment how much you spent during Black Friday and tag 2 friends. Very simple giveaway. It'll all be like in the caption of the photo, so if you guys want to enter that giveaway. And also huge shout out to D-Face. This is a sexy gray hoodie, and it's gonna go so well with these sesames when I wear them for my outfits. So if you guys want to check out a dope streetwear company that's having a great Black Friday sale, I'll leave D-Face Streetwear linked in the description down below. Use my code SneakerTalk for free shipping during the Black Friday sales, and then when the sale is done, you can still get a decent sized discount during just the regular season. So code SneakerTalk on Defaced Streetwear. Thank you, Defaced, for hooking your boy up with some sexy clothing. And yeah, with that said, I'll catch you guys in the next video later today. Have a blessed weekend. Hope you guys had a great Black Friday shopping season. Hopefully you didn't get stepped on too many times. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.